A defiant Donald Trump in New York.
This is a witch hunt. It's a hoax. Thank you.
The former president's empire on the line as he faces simultaneous court cases in the city where he built his fortune.
Today was a mixed bag for Donald Trump, right? Win some, lose some. If it does not go Donald Trump's way, both have massive consequences.
Trump's win was an 11th-hour victory just before the deadline to secure nearly $500 million in bond. An appeals court pausing that decision, slashing the amount owed.
So I greatly respect the decision of the appellate division, and I'll post either $175 million in cash or bonds or security or whatever is necessary very quickly within the 10 days.
Today's deadline came out of a civil fraud case where the judge found Trump and his sons had committed a decade of fraud by inflating their assets to obtain better business deals.
This appeals ruling is a massive win for Donald Trump. Now, the only thing to remember, that is Act 1. If the case is held up on appeal, Donald Trump is still on the hook for the entire $464 million.
The appeals court decision did not come with an explanation. That is unusual because ordinarily, defendants who are ordered to pay a civil judgment need to either put the full amount in escrow or come up with a bond to make sure they can pay while they appeal.
But it wasn't all good news for the former president. Today, a New York judge decided Trump will have to stand trial starting April 15th in the Stormy Daniels hush money case.
This case originates from the 2016 presidential election, and to prosecutors at the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, it's the original election interference case. The way they portray it, Donald Trump falsified business records related to the hush money he paid to Stormy Daniels to conceal a sex scandal from voters just before the 2016 election.
The reality is we've never seen a world that a former president has gone on trial for criminal charges. Donald Trump is going to have to physically sit in a courtroom for 6 to 8 weeks over the course of this trial. We have not seen a moment like this in American history.
Daniels appearing on The View last week.
Are you ready to take the stand against Donald Trump?
I'm absolutely ready. I've been ready. I'm hoping with all of my heart that they call me.
Trump had tried to stop or delay the trial, a line he continued today outside court, once again attacking the presiding judge.
This is a case that could have been brought 3.5 years ago. And now they're fighting over days because they want to try and do it during the election. This is election interference.
Part of the reason the case isn't going on trial until April 15th is Trump's own making. He has fought the charges. He has tried to delay the case every which way. When the defense could not cite any case law, the judge excoriated the defense for effectively wasting the court's time. And his delay tactics may have finally run out.
He's just the latest in all the legal drama surrounding Trump, the presumed Republican nominee for president, including 88 criminal charges and multiple civil lawsuits. In all cases, Trump has denied any wrongdoing.
So ridiculous, the cases. Every one of them is ridiculous.
Trump has long bragged about his net worth, saying he and his companies were worth billions of dollars.
You are a winner?
I think so. I mean,
I'm looking around. Yeah, there's a lot of gold here.
I've done pretty well.
While a judge has found Trump falsified business records in the past by overvaluing his properties, he could come into potential billions by taking his company Truth Social public. Trump's stake valued at $3 billion, despite SEC filings that show the platform has been operating at a loss.
The amount of money Donald Trump seems to benefit from, given how many shares he has, given his legal troubles, it could bail him out. However, this board has a 6-month rule that Donald Trump can't touch the money.
For now, Trump's focus seems to be squarely on how his legal issues impact the campaign for president.
I don't know how you can have a trial that's going on right in the middle of an election. Not fair.
The criminal prosecutions of former President Trump are testing the justice system in this country in ways it has never been tested before. Next month, the U.S. Supreme Court is going to consider a question that could impact almost all of the former president's criminal prosecutions. The question is, can Trump be prosecuted for conduct that occurred while he was in office?
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.